I unfortunately come to you with nothing but sad and devastating news as the SAPS confirms the death of an investigator in the Thabo Bester case. You guys, the investigator was the head of the Free State Organized Crime Unit, and it is said that he allegedly died by suicide. So SAPS has released this statement, which reads as follows. Now, the investigating officer, you guys, has reportedly shot and killed himself. So, SAPS has released a statement. The SAPS can confirm the death of one of the investigators into the Tower Bester escape case. Circumstances surrounding the senior officer's death, who is also the provincial head of organized crimes in the Free State, remains the subject of a police investigation. The SAPS management wishes not to discuss this matter in the public domain at this early stage. In the House, employee health and wellness experts, which include chaplains, have been dispatched to provide psychological services to the family and colleagues of the deceased member. The National Commissioner of the SAPS, General Fani Masemola, has described the member as a hardworking, loyal, and dedicated detective with 31 years of experience. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts down in the comments section below. And also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall certainly see you on my next update. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.